In this video, you will learn how to put the linear regression model in matrix notation. Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Of course, this is a linear regression model, and we have our model to be y is equal to xb plus ei, where this is the response variable. We call it response variable, and this is the design matrix, or we call it the predictor variable, while this is the model parameter, and this is our error thing. So this is the random error or our error. Of course, from this now, we see that the matrix, since we have six observations, the matrix for this will be, for y, will be 6 by 1 matrix. And for our design matrix or the predictor variable, we have x 1, 2, 3 plus this 4. So it will be 6 by 4 matrix. Now, for our model parameter, which is the b, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 4 by 1 matrix. And for our error 10, since this error 10 has 6 observations, it will be 6 by 1 observation. So this is how we can compute that. Our first one is y. How do we write it? We say y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and y6. Now, for our x, which is the design matrix, x, we said is a 6 by 4 matrix. So we have here. Now, how do we compute this? If we watch out for our x variables, we have 1, 2, 3, just 3 parameters. While this one here is a constant, so we put it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. We have the next one is x11, x12, x13. So we have x11, x12, and x13. That's all. So the next one will be x21, x22, and x23. x31, x32, and x33. x41, x42, and x43. x51, x52, and x53. The last one will be x61, x62, and x63. That is what we get. Let me do our line properly. That is what we get for the design matrix. Now, the next one is our model parameter, which is b. We said b is a 4 by 1 matrix. So we have b0, b1, b2, and b3. And the last one we have is our error term, which is the random error. And we said with this I, it has 6 observations. 6 observations. So that 6 observations can be written as our error term will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last is 6. So we have succeeded in putting the linear regression model into the matrix notation. This is simply how to put it in matrix notation. Now we have to write it out properly because we have y is equal to xb plus e. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So how do we write it like this? Whenever you compute your matrix notation like this, you have to put it in this format because this becomes our model. Y is equal to xb plus our random error, which is e. So we have to delete this to write it out properly. So rewriting our model properly, we have y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and y6. Y is equal to x, which is our design matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have x11, x12, x13, x21, x22, x23, x31, x32, and x33. This is x41, x42, and x43, x51, x52, and x53, x61, x62, and x63. Then we have the b, because this y is equal to xb. B is b naught, b1, b2, and b3 plus our error term. Our error term is e1, e2, e3, e4, e5, and e6. So this is simply how to compute or how to put the linear regression model into the matrix notation. So when you want to put the linear regression model into a matrix notation, this is how you can do it. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.